the number of real solutions of the equation x square minus 15x plus 55 whole power x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 is equal to 1. Beautiful ways of thinking about it. Suppose I have a power b is equal to 1. When can this happen? First of all, 1 power anything is 1. This is one way. Anything power 0 is 1. This is one way. 1 power 3 is 0, 1 power minus 2 is 0, 1 power minus 11 is 0, 1 power 3 is 1, 1 power minus 12 is 1, 1 power 11 is 1, 1 power root 3 is 1. 3 power 0 is 0, 15 power 0 is 0, 23 power 0 is 0, minus 23 power 0 is also 0. Minus 23 whole power 0 is also 0. Brilliant. Apart from this, there's one another way of doing this. Minus 1 power an even integer is 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1. Minus 1 whole cube is 1. Sorry, whole power 4 is 1. Minus 1 power minus 26 is 1. Right? So, for solving this equation, you have to solve 3 categories. Put the base is equal to 1. Solve for that. Put the power is equal to 0. Solve for that. Put the base is equal to minus 1. Solve for that. Find x. Plug that in the power. Verify if it's an even number. Okay. We're going to do all 3. Let's go step by step. Let's put x square minus 15x plus 55 equal to 1. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. The simple ones. Let's solve this. So x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. X minus 9 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. X is 9 or x is 6. If x were 9 or 6, then that part, the x square minus 15x plus 55 part will go to 1, which is very nice, very comfortable. This side, we have x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is 2 or 3. If x were 2 or 3, then the power would go to 0. If x were 2 or 3, this is something power 0, 1, that will work. If x were 6 or 9, then it is 1 power something, that is 1, that will also work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 values of x are in the bag. Now what do we do? This is all very interesting. Let's say x square minus 15x plus 55 is equal to minus 1. X square minus 15x plus 56 is equal to 0. X minus 7 into x minus 8 is equal to 0. X is 7 or 8. If x were 7 or 8, then the base becomes minus 1. Now comes the interesting part. When x is 7 or 8, what happens to the power? X minus 2 into x minus 3. Let's do 7 minus 2 into 7 minus 3. 5 into 4, 20, even number. That works. If you put 8 minus 2 into 8 minus 3, 6 into 5, 30, even number. Whenever x is an integer, x minus 2 into x minus 3 is product of two consecutive integers. One even, one odd, product will be even. I don't have to really do this, but hey, even if I've done this, this works. So when x is 7 or 8, we'll be looking at minus 1 power 20 and minus 1 whole power 30. Both are equal to 1. So 6 and 9 will work. 2 or 3 will work. 7, 8 will work. We have 6 different values x can take. Beautiful question.